In this video tutorial, we learn how to convert decimals to percentage. Now, the first one is 0.75. Clearly, it's a decimal representation of a number. That is, it's a decimal number. We have to convert this 0.75 to percentage. The first step will be convert this into a fraction. Convert this into a fraction with the denominator as 100. Again, I'm repeating. Whenever you are asked such questions, always convert the decimal number first into a fraction which has the denominator as 100. Okay. Now we can write this 0.75 as 0.75 divided by 1, right? Does it make any difference? No, not at all. So if I have to make the denominator as 100, we have to multiply the numerator and the denominator both with 100. Right? That's very simple. Okay. Because if we do this, we get back this one only. It will not change this value. Now, this gives you what? 75 divided by 100. So you can clearly see we have reached to a point where we have a fractional number. We have a fraction whose denominator is 100. So what does a percentage mean? A percentage means per 100, right? So 75 over 100, percentage always talks about per 100. This is 75 over 100, that is 75 per 100. It means 75%. In this one, B, this is 0.09. Again, I have to write a fractional number. In order to convert this into percentage, we first write a fractional number from this decimal number whose denominator is 100, as we have done here. So this can be written as 0.09 divided by 1, and in order to make the denominator as 100, you have to multiply both the numerator and the denominator by 100, right? Because this doesn't make any difference to this original value number. This is what? This is 9 divided by 100. Now 9 divided by 100, that is 9 per 100, 9 out of 100. That's what the percentage talks about. So this represents 9%. So if you have to convert this decimal number, first convert it into a fraction having the denominator as 100, and then you reach to this point where you can easily tell what percentage this fraction number represents. In this case, you have, this is 0.2, so 0.2, right? We can write it as 0.2 divided by 1 over 1, because the value doesn't change if we divide by 1. And this, we have to get a fractional number having the denominator as 100. So 0.2 times 100 and 1 times 100. This gives you what? If you multiply this 0.2 with 100, what you get? You get 20, right? If you multiply this decimal number 0.2 with 100, you get 20. And this is divided by 100. So 20 out of 100, that is 20 per 100. The percentage you get is 20%, right? So this is the way to convert decimal to percentage.